Hey everybody, we want to introduce you to a new video series called What's in the Shop. This is where we have real customers with real problems, and the most important thing we want to show you is how to prevent them. So come with me and let's go see what's in the shop. Hi, so today we're working on a Sunnybrook travel trailer and we're applying a Gaco roof coating. This roof coating comes with a 25-year guarantee from Gaco Manufacturing. As you can see in the picture, we're applying the coating, the first part of the coating, on all the seams, edges around the refrigerator vent, and just basically cutting it all in. This coating, what's nice about it, some of the benefits, is that it doesn't deteriorate, it's not going to chalk on the side of the coach, and it creates a one-piece seamless seal, as well as reduces the interior temperature by 20% at least, if not more. Stay tuned for part 2 video where we'll show you a completed version of this. Thank you so much for watching What's in the Shop. Please hit the subscribe button so you can see our next episode. Thank you for watching.